Some people think that the IELTS is just an English test that you can pass with, curated knowledge from random YouTube videos or just struggling by yourself to practice. But the sad part is most times they only get to realize after their results are out. While this may be feasible for some persons, do you have the time to commit to practicing for like 3 months if you're doing self practice? Do you also have an accountability partner while doing self practice? That's the difference. Who holds you accountable? Who corrects your writing model? And even your speaking, who interviews you and tells you you're not doing this better or you can do this other one well? Now that's where we come in as campus help. When you train with us, we help to cut down your learning curve. We go straight to the point and teach you the strategies on how to ace the IELTS in one sitting to achieve a band 8 in one sitting. Now you need to join our class. You need to join us as soon as possible for you to be able to ace the IELTS in one sitting. We have the online option and also the online on-site option. There are group classes and we have the private sessions too. So whichever one that fits your schedule, we're here for you.